Hello my dear children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is our fifth one. So before starting our classes, let us have a silent prayer. Okay. So I hope you have studied the third and fourth lesson. So we are entering to the fifth lesson, that is factors and multiples. Okay, if you are thorough with our multiplication table, this lesson also very simple one. See, so far the lessons we discussed are that you have already studied in your lower grades. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These lessons you have already studied. This year you made a step ahead, that's all. But the lesson what we are going to take today is a new one for you. That is our fifth lesson, factors and multiples. First, let us discuss what are the factors. What do you mean by factors? How to find out the factors? Okay, it's very simple if you listen to the class. When you go through the textbook, you may feel so difficult. But when you listen and understand things, it's very simple. It's very easy to study. Okay, so I hope you will listen to me and you are ready with your rough book and pen. Okay, I'll give the questions to find out the factors you have to do along with me. Right? Okay, I'm sure that you are doing well. Right? Yes. So, first topic is factors. What do you understand by the term factors? Just consider our daily life. Okay, let us take an example from our daily life. Then we will come to our mathematics. Right? Yes. When you are making a tea, suppose, I hope all of you know to make tea. You are usually not making, still you will be knowing how to make a tea. Right? Yes. In order to make a tea, we know the ingredients. What are the ingredients we need? Yes, water, tea powder, sugar, milk. If we have these things, we can make a tea. Right? Water, tea powder, sugar and milk. Right? 4 ingredients. See, I can also make a tea with water, tea powder, sugar, and instead of milk I can use milk powder. Then also I will get tea. Right? Then again another combination, water, tea powder, instead of sugar I can use jaggery, then milk. Then also we will get a tea. Right? Yes. These are the various combinations that can be made, that can be used to make a tea. Okay, shall we relate this to our factors? That is, if I ask you to find the factor of 15, suppose I am asking you, find the factors of 15. Just like ingredients that can be formed to make 15. Okay, that is, listen well. In order to get 15, you can use any 2 numbers and multiply it. You should get the product as 15. Okay, then those numbers are called the factors of 15. Just like in tea, those things we used to make a tea. Same way, those numbers that can be used when you multiply to get a product 15. Whenever what are numbers use, then you multiply those numbers. But the product should be 15. Then we can say that those numbers we use are the factors of 15. Okay, just connect it, both these examples, then it will be easy for you. For example, I will show you how it is. Okay, suppose 15, I ask giving the number 15. Your question is that find the factors of 15. So you can do one thing. Yes, it is 15. You have to take various combination of numbers 2. Okay, that is 1. First you take first symbol. 1 into 15. So you will get the answer is 15. So we can say that 1 and 15 are the factors of 15. Not only 1 and 15. Just like in tea, we made a different combination. Same way, let us make another combination. If you take, just like start with an order. After 1, I am taking 2. We multiply 2 with any number. Can we get 15 as a product? No. We know that in 2's table, since it is an even number, all the products are an even number. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? 2 4s are 8. See, look at the products. Everything is even number. We know that 15 is an odd number. We won't get when you multiply 2 and another number 15. We won't get it. So 2 will not be the product. Then let us say 3 with 3. In 3's table, whether we get 15 as a product when you multiply 3 with some other number. Yes, we know that 3 into 1, 3, 3 2 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 4, 12 and 3 into 5 is 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. Then 4, we know that we won't get with the 4. Then 5, look at the 5. Yes, if you take 5 into 3, then also 15. Is there any more numbers? No. Since this combination is same, as we studied earlier, we can interchange the multiplicand and multiplier, the product will be same. So this combination and this combination is same, so I am avoiding this one. Okay, no need of this one. These are same. So look at this. These are the two combinations to obtain 15 as a product. So we can say that these are the factors of 15. So I am writing in order. 1 is a factor. Then 3 is the factor. 5 and 15. I just like written in ascending order, that's all. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Understood? Same way, what are the ingredients used to get tea? We can connect that one to this topic. That is the factors of 15 means which are the combination of numbers that can be multiplied to get the product as 15. Then all those numbers are factors. Right? Okay. So 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors of 15. Okay. Suppose if I ask you to write what are the factors of 12. Write the factors of 12. How will you write? Yes. We know that 1 into 12 is 12. Then with the 2. 2 stable. 6 2s are 12. Then 3. 3 into 4 is also 12. Right? That's all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. We can write in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, all those combinations we used. All numbers, 1 is used. 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All these numbers are the factors of 12. Okay, that is the way to find out the factors of a given number. Look at these two examples we discussed. We can see that if you are finding the factor of a 12, 1 and 12 will be there. See here 1 and 15. 1 and 15. Okay. You are asked to find out the factor of 15. So 15 is a factor and 1 is also a factor. Here also 1 is a factor and the number itself, given number itself. So we can make a conclusion from this that when they are asked to find out a factor, 1 and the same number will be there as a factor for all the numbers. 1 and the same number given will be the factor itself. Just like in tea, water and tea powder is must. Same way, 1 and the given number will be there as a factor. That will be the factors and remaining things you have to find out. I hope you got a bit idea about this. Okay, not clear full, but you got the idea that factors means just like the ingredients. The combinations of numbers which we use and multiply to get the given number as a product. Those numbers are considered as the factors of the given number. Okay, in textbook they are given in different way. There are different way to find out the factors also. So in textbook or the other way to explain or find out the factors is suppose take 15 itself. Okay, 15, same thing. When you divide 15 with another number, that suppose I am taking 1. When you divide 15 by 1, you will get 15. That is just like division in one time. 1 minus 0. Bring down the next number. 5. 1 into 1. Like that. How many times we can take 1 from 5. 5 times. So, 5. So, 5, 0. See, division. That is, when you divide any number by 1, you will get the same number as the, and we studied already now, fact. Division fact. Same thing. Okay. That when you divide 15 by 1, you got the quotient 15, remainder is 0. Whenever you divide a number by another number, if you are getting 0 as a remainder, that number is the factor of this number. So 1 is the factor. Again, if you divide with 2, is it possible to divide 1? No. So take 15. In 15, 7 times. 7 2s are 40. Minus it. We will get 1. We cannot divide. No more number to brought down. So 1 is the remainder. That means we did not get 0 as a remainder. That means it is not possible to divide 15 by 2 exactly. That means 2 is not the factor of 15. Okay. Then again, if you divide 15 by 3, say the table of 3, 5 times 5 3s are 15. So you got 0. That means 3 is the factor of 15. This is another way to find out the factors. Take the number and divide 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. When you divide it, when you are dividing, the remainder is 0. That means the divisor that we use is a factor of the given number. Two ways are there. Okay. So each time you have to divide and see. I felt better for you to multiply with 1, 2, 3 same order. Both the ways you can use it. Okay. Once again I explained you. There are two ways to find out the factors. Factors means just like the example what I given, you can consider it as. Let me try two more examples. See. So I am asking you to find the factor of 18. So you can do one thing. 1 into 18. Always it is 18. Then 2 with the 2. 9 into 2 is 18. Then with the 3. 3 stable then 6. 3 into 6 is 18. Then any more number to be multiplied? With the 4. In 4 stable 18 is not there. 5. 6. 6 stable on it of. Like this you can check by ascending order wise. Okay, first you check with the 1. 1 into 18 is 18 always. 2. When you are using 2, half of 18 that is 9. 2 stable 9 times 18. Then with 3. 3 into 6 is 18. Take 4. 4 into. That means you must be able to identify. That means you should be thorough with the multiplication table. Then only you can do it. Okay. No excuse for that. If you know the table, it's very easy. Okay. Right. Okay. In 4 stable, it won't be there. 5 stable, it won't be there. 6 stable, no need of checking because 6 already we have considered either here or this side. 6 stable, 3 times, same thing. 7 stable, it won't be there. 8 stable also, we won't get 18. 9 stable, we already got them. That is 2 into 9. This is 9 into 2. Again, if you write also. No problem, use of it. Okay. So, like that you check it, you will get the answer. So far, I already told you 4 is not possible. 5 is not possible. 6 into 3 is again 18. Then 7. 7 stable, no 18. 8 stable is not there. 9 stable, 9 into 2. 18. And then you check it. Okay. 6 into 3 and 3 into 6 are same. So, no need of this one. Then 2 into 9, 9 into 2 is same. So, no need. Okay, no need of writing this. So, these are the main combinations. When you multiply that you will get a product as 18. So, just this number should be written in an ascending order. That is 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9, 18. So, these are the factors of 18. I hope you got the idea how to find out the factor. Let us together do one question. Yes. Take this question. That is, take a smaller one. Okay. Take that 16. Two numbers. It is 16 and 24. Okay. 16 I will do for you. And 24 you have to try yourself. Right? Yes. See the 16. I am starting with the 1. 1 into 16. As I told you, in order to make a tea, water and tea powder is must. Same way, when you to write the factors of a given number, 1 and the same number will be always there as a factor. So write that one first. Then let us try with the 2. Say the table of 2. How many times? 8. 8 to the 16. Then in 3's table, whether there is in 3's table 16 is there or not. We are sure that there is no 16 because it comes 15. So 16 won't be there. Okay. Then in 4. 4's table. 4, we know that 4 4s are 16. Right? Yes. Then 5's table 2 won't be there because in 5's table 5 and 0 will be ending with. So 16 won't be there. 6 table? No. Then 7's table? There won't be. 8 table? Yeah. Table of 8. 8 twos are. So already it is written there. So no need of repeatedly doing it. 9's table? It won't be there. Up to 10, check normally. Okay. Usually you can do it up to 10. Larger number only you have to deal with more than 10. So these are the factors of, from this we can write the factors of 16 as it is 1, 2. While writing the factors, try to write in ascending order. So it will be easy for you to find out any number is missed or not. So 1, 2, 4. Yes, 4 is already 4. Again 4 comes. So no need of writing second time. Then 8, then 16. So these are the factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Got it? Yes. Whether you are able to do it along with me? Yes. Will you do the second question? Yes. Try yourself for 24. After doing, you can check with me. 24. So we know that 1 into 24 is 24. Second, we are going to see the 2. Listen well. In 2's table, we know that 10 into 2 is 20. It is more than 20 or above 20. So, above 12 it will be there. That means, whenever we are using 2's table, we know that half of the given number is with, say, in 2's table we have studied up to 10, right? We know that up to 10 it is 20 only. The given number is above 20. So, how will you find out? 2 into which number you will get 24? Okay, whenever you use 2's table, you can keep in mind that half of this number should be taken as the number to be multiplied. Half of the number, that is half of 2 is 1. Half of 4, 2. So 2 into 12 is equal to 24. If it is not possible, with the 2 combination, you multiply here 12 into 2. 4, 24. Like that also you can do in the working column. Okay. So 2 into 12 is 24. Next take 3. In 3's table, is there any 24 comes as the product? With any number? Yes. 3 into 8. 8 these are 24. Then in 4's table, is there? Yes. 4 into 6. 24. In 7's table, there won't be. 8 table, no need of checking, already 8 is written. Then in 9's table, there won't be. Okay, 10's table won't be there, that is sure for us. So, from this combination, we can find out the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So, these are the factors of 12. Did all of you get it? Yes. So, you have to practice like this. Either you can use the division method also. Okay. So, when you, the definition for factor is given that when you divide a number by another number, it is possible to divide for you without leaving reminders when we divide it exactly. When a number divides another number exactly, that means without leaving reminder, those numbers are called as factors. The number by which we divide it is called the factor of the given number. Okay, no need of by hearting definition, you got the idea? I hope it is clear for you, right? Yes. Factors means the combination of numbers that you use to multiply to get this. Otherwise, you can say that when a number is divided by another number, when a number divides another number exactly without reminder, then the divisor that we used is a factor of the dividend. Got it? Yes. So this is a way also we can find out the factors. That is about factors. So this is now for this questions we will practice. A single number is given. Suppose I ask you to find out the factors of 12 and 24. How will you find out? Same way. First you find out the factor of 12, then find out the factor of 24, then write in a straight way. Okay, that is a way to find out. That is for finding out. Suppose they are asking you, first question is find the factors. I hope that section is clear for you. Second topic, find out the common factors. Find out the common factors. In order to find out the common factors, they will be giving you at least two numbers. Find the factors of these two numbers, and from these found out factors, see that which are the numbers or factors common to both numbers. I'm sure that there is no use of saying you. I'll show you with an example. See, for that they given first question 8 and 12. Find out the common factors of 8 and 12. So first take 8. Write all the multiples in the working column. 1 into 8, 8. 2 into 4 is 8. Then any more numbers? 3 stable 8 won't be there. 5 stable 8 that won't be there. So factors of like this you can write. Put a hyphen or arrow mark like this. Then write the factors 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. Next 12. Write like this. Write the multiples of 12. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is also 12. 3 into 4 is also 12. No more numbers. So, factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This is our keyword. Okay. So, these are the factors of 12. From this, you have to find out the common factor or common factors. What you will do? See, circle both the numbers like this. Yes. 1 is there for common both. Then this 2. 3 is not there. Next 4. You can circle it like this. 6 is not there for both. 12 is not there. 8 also is not. So in both the numbers or from the among the both the factors, circle the same numbers for both. Then common factors. Common factors is equal to 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Understood? Yes. Find out the factors. After finding out the factors, join the same factors for both and write down the common factors. These are the common factors. Okay, those factors which are there in both the numbers is called the common factors. So first question is find the factors that you understood. Second one, find the common factors. I hope it is also clear. Common, the word itself says that is in both, right? Common to all. Yes. From this, the third question is that which is the highest common factor? That is highest common factor. That is highest common factor. This topic we are going to study in detail coming classes. So just understand it. Highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor from this? Right? We have written already the common factors from this. Which is the highest one? 4. So this is the HCF of 8 and 12. HCF means highest common factor. It may be a new term for you. Highest common factor, that we call it as HCF. So now we are ready to answer for 3 questions. First one is write the factors of given number. Are you ready? Yes. Second one, find the common factors of given two numbers. I hope that also clear for you. Find out the factors and write that one below the other like this in a straight horizontal way. Then circle the common ones. Write down the common, circle the ones. Then that are the common factors. The third question, after finding out the common factor, you can write the highest common from that. That is the highest common factor, that is HCF of 8 and 12. Okay, so sometimes they may ask you find out the common factors, or they will ask you find out the HCF of the given numbers. I hope this you will be able to answer for these three questions: factors, common factors and HCF. Clear? Let me believe that it's clear for you. Okay, I'll give you some more questions for practice. Okay, this topics HCF is coming in coming section. That so that I'm just skipping from this. Just have an idea about that. Okay. Next topic that we are going to study is about multiples. Okay, factors is over. Next we are going to study what are multiples. Okay, next topic is multiples. Multiples is another term which is very simple one. Multiply. Relate the term to our mathematical operation, that is multiplies. Multiply means what? Yeah, there is an increase in the number. Repeated addition, right? Yes. Then to find out the multiples means, it's very simple. You write the increased value of that number by multiplying. I hope it is not understood, right? Yes. Let us take with an example. See, write the multiple of, if they are asking, write the multiple of 4. This is an example question. Write the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 means the increased value of 4. To get increased value of 4, you should multiply 4. Yes. In order to get the multiple, first take 4, multiply by 1. You will get the same answer. So, there won't be increase in the value. So, no need of writing with the 1. Take next one with the 2. What do you get? 8. Next, multiply with the 3. 12. Then 4, multiply with the 4. You will get 16. 4 into 5. That is 20. That means multiples means the multiplication table of the given number. That's all. We want this answer. Okay. Goes on. They will be asking, write the 5 multiples of 4. Means you write 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 5 they ask, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 answer. Got it? That is the product in the multiplication table of given number. That is multiples. 4 into 1 is not necessary because it won't increase the value. Okay, 4 into 1 is 4 itself. So, no need of that multiple. The next one, 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 6, 24. They ask you only 5, write 5. They ask you to write 3, write only 3. 1, 2, 3. Up to this much is enough. Okay, so these calculations or multiplication should be written in the margin. Answer should be written in the answer side. Okay. Without multiplying, we can find out multiple of 4 is 8, 12, 20, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and goes on. Okay, so multiple of 4 are 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Got it? So what is meant by multiples? It's very easy, no? Yes. Second question, write the multiple of 16. For this, you have to multiply and see because you have not studied the multiplication table of 16. Okay. So first multiply is 16 into 2. That is 32. Each time you have to 16 into 2. Do the working order. Okay. 32. So write 32. Write the first 5 multiples. This is a question. Write the first 5 multiple of 16. So 5 times you have to multiply with the different numbers. So we got 16 into 3. Take 16 into 3. 48. So next is 48. Then 16 into 4. 64. Next one. 16 into 5. 80. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 only. We need 5 multiples. So one more. 16 into 6. 96. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiples are there. So these are the first 5 multiples of 60. It's very easy, no? Yeah, this is also based on multiplication. That's why I am saying again and again, multiplication tables are very important. Okay? So this is the way to write the multiples. Got it? Yes. This is the first part in multiples. Find out the multiples of the given number. Got it? Yes. Just like in factors, we are stepping ahead to the next section, that is find the common multiples. Find out the common multiples. Look at this question. Is there any common multiple for this? No. Okay, let us consider the question. So first one, they will be asking you from the multiples part, find the multiples of given number. Just multiply with the 2, 3, 4 each time. You will get different multiples. Next is find out the common multiples. Here there is no common. Say 8. It's not 12 is not here. 16, 20, 24. So far it is not there. Let us check whether as goes on there will be something common. Okay, let it be. So second step in multiple is that find out the common multiple. Okay, of given two numbers. Common multiple of 8 and 12. Okay, so first you write the multiple of 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 3, 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 48. Okay, like that. Then 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. Like that it goes. So from this, which is the common one? 16 is not there. 24, yes, 24 is there. Then 48 is there. No more. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiples we have written. From this, we got 2 common multiples. So, write the common multiples are 24 and 48. Common multiples. Common one, 24 and 48. Okay. If we get common one, they are asking you which is the least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple, that is LCM. This also we are going to study in coming section. So just understand that one. After finding out the common multiple, we can write the least common multiple. Least common means from this which is the smallest one. Factors we are written the highest factor. In multiples we are writing which is the least one. Highest one we cannot write, it goes on continuous. Okay, so it is not able to write the highest one very easily. So they are asking you which is the least common. Least common is 24. So LCM of this 8 and 12 is 24. Okay. I hope this much is clear. Now for this section, you study only how to write the factors and the common factors. Multiples and common multiples. HCF and LCM, leave it. That's I just said for you. Next section, we will be studying in detail. Okay. I hope this much is clear for you. How to find out the factors and multiples. Right? Yes. Today we learned two sections. First one is factors. Second one is multiples. So, thank you. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video. Practice the assignments given. If you have any doubt, just call me.